Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the calendar in Edmodo. So as you can see on the right hand of the page, there is an Edmodo planner or calendar. So if I click on this, I can view my calendar by week. So just the weekly calendar, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This only goes for 5 days, okay? Or I can click month. I like to view my planner by month, and I can see what is going on for the month. Now, for the month of January, I don't have anything written in here. Right now, the calendar shows all of my groups, okay? So right now it says everything. If I want to only show what's in the calendar for, let's say, my group grade 10 academic math, I'll click grade 10 academic math. Now, like I said, nothing's been put in for January, so let's go back, and we're looking at December 2014. Let's go back again. We can see that there's been some notes put in here in the calendar, okay? So we have some events that are taking place. This is for grade 10 academic math. Let's click here again and see for everything. So all my groups for November 2014, okay, so I have 2 groups that are actively being used in November, that were being actively used in November 2014, and I've color coded my 2 groups so that I can differentiate between the 2 events in the calendar. So grade 10 academic math is blue and grade 9 academic math is red. Okay, now how do we add an event in the calendar? So let's go back to let's go to January here. So I'm going to click January. Okay, so now I'm in January, and I'm going to create an event for January 5th. So let's click on January 5th, okay, and I'm going to add description. So I'm going to call this Welcome Back to School, since students are coming back from the break on January 5th. Now I want this to appear on January 5th only, okay? I can send this to any of the groups that I have on Edmodo. So if I just start typing GR, the period, okay, that's my grade 10 academic math group. If I want to send it to my grade 9 academic math group, I had a group in here called MPM 1D1 from 2012, or let's say this one from 2013 because it's pink. Okay, so I can send this message in the calendar, this event, to any of the groups that I have created in Edmodo. So let's click create. Okay, and it turns out to be this color because I've sent it to more than one group. Let's just send it to one group specifically. So let's go to January 6th, and I'm going to call this chapter 8. Okay, now I want to make this active from January 6th until, let's say, Friday, January 9th. Okay, and let's just send this to my grade 9 group here. And we'll click create, and you can see it spans across the page here from the 6th to the 9th, and it's red because that was the color that I made that group initially. Okay, so if we want to go back and close the calendar, we can do that here. And if you're just wondering how we change the colors of the groups, so here's my groups here. If I click and hold on this image here, the square, I can just change the color of the group. So let's make this, let's say, green. Okay, actually, no, I have another one that's green. So let's make this yellow. And if I go back to my calendar here, my Edmodo planner, and we'll click month, I just like to view it better by month. And now it's also changed the color in my calendar as well. So it's easy to color code your events if you have more than one class going, if you have more than one group.